No, I don't want to talk to you unless you are arresting him. I want to talk to you. No, you're not going to take my phone. No, मैं बिल्कुल नहीं आ रही. ईमान बीवी को फोन करो. Do not touch me. No, don't touch me. No. No. No, I will not. No. No, who are you to arrest me? No.
Ma'am, there is no issue. Please come out. Come out. We can talk about.
Ma'am, please talk about.
Be peaceful. Be peaceful.
No,
We
then
can-
leave me. You're using violence.
No, you.
Don't you take my phone, you bastard.
Let.
No.